Hello again. I'm glad the video on the Huawei Freebuds SE2 was helpful. I'm shooting this video in a vertical format since most viewers watch on phones or tablets. I hope that's okay. A channel friend requested a comparison between the Huawei Freebuds SE2 and the Anker Soundcore R50i. So let's dive in. I've got the Anker R50i here. Let's unbox it quickly. The usual charging cable, papers, and the box with the buds. First impression, the plastic feels cheaper than the Freebuds SE2. The buds are lightweight, equipped with 10mm drivers for potentially loud sound due to silicone ear tips blocking external noise. They have an IPX5 splash rating, offering 10 hours of continuous listening and 2 more charges with the case. Now let's connect them to the phone. The app is impressive with many preset sound profiles. The buds have customizable controls and a gaming mode, decent overall. In my testing, they are loud, but the sound is somewhat muffled, in line with the €20 price. No play pause when you take them out. Call quality is acceptable. People I called rated my buds. Nothing ear stick is the best sounding. Huawei Freebuds SE2 with good quality, and Soundcore R50i with room for improvement. Soundcore R50i's strengths, in my opinion, are the loudness, including powerful bass and customization through the app. Consider the prices when making your decision. For our friend and for everybody, if you have the budget, go with the Huawei Freebuds SE2. If not, you'll be okay with the Soundcore R50i too. Just don't make too many phone calls. Now let's proceed with the usual tests.
This is a recording with the Soundcore R50i. Test, test, test. This is a recording with the Nothing Ear Stick. Test, test, test. This is a recording with the Huawei Freebuds SE2. Test, test, test. This is a recording with the Soundcore R50i. Test, test, test. This is a recording with the Nothing Ear Stick. Test, test, test. This is a recording with the Huawei Freebuds SE2. Test, test, test. This is a recording with the Soundcore R50i. Test, test, test. This is a recording with the Nothing Ear Stick. Test, test, test. This is a recording with the Huawei Freebuds SE2. Test, test, test.